Hello everyone. So here we are on problems on sequencing and formation. Sequencing and formation. So here we have the question. In the following question, arrange the given words as per the dictionary. So here we need to arrange these words as per the dictionary, and the words are chemistry, chamber, cheap and cheerful. So here we'll first write down the words, that is CHAMISTRY, chemistry. Then we have chamber, CHAMBER. Then we have cheap, CHEAP, cheap. And then we have cheerful, CHEARFUL. So now if we begin with the word C, we'll see here that C is common in all of them. So the first alphabet will be C in all of them. The second one we have is H in all of them. So H will also be in all of them. Now we have E, A, E. So as per the dictionary, A comes first. So the chamber will be the first word. So now chamber is gone. Now we have three other words left. So if we see, E is common in all of them. So we'll shift to the next alphabet. So now here we have M, here we have A, and here we have E. So according to dictionary, A comes first. So here we will have cheap as the second word. So cheap is also gone. So now we have left with cheerful and chemistry. So if we see, as per the dictionary, E comes before M, therefore cheerful will be the third word and chemistry will be the fourth word. So this is the correct order. Now if we see, chamber is at 2, cheap is at 3, cheerful is at 4th, and chemistry is at 1. Therefore 2, 3, 4, 1, that is option D is the solution for the given problem. Thank you.